Hello there, it's me, earthmanbrick, and we're back with another plastic box set. This is the GunFighters 2 set. Now, we've done the GunFighters 1 already, and this is the sequel, apparently, which is all women. So it's a couple of sprues that are filled with these lovely, delightful women. Now, we do have a blurb on the back. We also have some beautifully painted models, so let me just regale what's on here. What are you all waiting around for? You think Destiny's coming to you? Dead Man's Hand is a 28mm skirmish game by Great Escape Games. Bands of tough and wily cowboys, stoic lawmen, ruthless outlaws and crazy desperados fight for fame and respect in the Old West. Contains 10 multi-part plastic miniatures, yada yada. And yeah, it's so it's only 10 you get in this box set. Same with the other GunFighters one. So it is a bit on the slim side compared to other box sets. And it does come with enough bases. That's in there. Sorted. And that's 25mm round. And here's the actual sprue, so I'm going to go mobile here so we can get the top-down view. And yeah, we get a lot of bang for a buck on this sprue. So you've got 10 heads there. Well, 11 heads right up at the top there. You've got 5 bodies per sprue. And you get 2 of these sprues in the set. You get a whole myriad of arms. Let's see how many. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, you get plenty of arms anyway. And lots of extra sort of optional kind of ones as well. So you've got ones like this. So the majority are just pistols or shotguns that you get. But you also get a nice little lantern there, and you've got optional kind of pistols here that are already in the holsters. And you've got empty holsters, which are these things. Couldn't figure out what they were at first, but yeah, these are empty gun holsters. Yeah, the sprue here is pretty darn nice. Unfortunately, it does suffer from the oval base syndrome thing, which can be easily fixed, so I'm told. I prefer to just chop them off entirely and do my own thing. And yep, you do get a couple of individual shotguns here. So that's for some reason with the shotguns, they just put the barrels and the other bit of the gun separately. I think it's somewhere up here. I can't remember, but yeah, you get some individual sort of ponytails there. So that's one braided, one unbraided. Yeah, the heads themselves look pretty darn nice. So you've got a few with cowboy hats, a few masked, a fair few with ponytails. You've got some yeah, some nice variety there, so you can do what you like. And you even get an extra cacti and a chicken. Let me just put that the other way around. Yeah, it's a nice looking plump chicken. And I think it does show them, at least there is pictures of them on the bases. Yep, you can see the chicken there. Wonderful paint job. I could only hope and dream of painting like that, but yeah, it's definitely out with my skill set. Look, they've given her a nice sort of tartany kind of skirt or pleat. Yeah, wonderful paint job. My paint job and skills, nowhere near as good. So, how did I get on with the paint job? Well, here they are here. So I've just, these are bases I've made previously. These are, got those in a separate video. Maybe link it below. let me just pop this down. We'll have a nice little look at them. So that's them there. And yeah, I tried to do my best, but it was a real struggle. I did put one of the cacti on the base. That's it there. I think that's turned out nice. Just simple green and red. Yeah, I'm very happy with how these turned out, although my painting skills are extremely limited. And yeah, just some simple base colors down. Would I recommend this set? How much did I pay for it? I think it was something in the range of like 14 and between. It's around about 15 quid for this box set. And if you're smart, you can get, 10% off that. So you're paying £13.50, which sounds about right. And yeah, these are great looking little miniatures. And this is what's left on the sprue frame right here. And I think I'm going to kit bash these, but I'll do that in a separate video of some other kits. So, would I recommend it? Absolutely. And yeah, I think you get a lot of bang for your buck right here. But that's all I've got for you today. So, thanks again for watching, and bye.